So today I'll be recreating my old childhood experiment that I did very first was baking soda volcano. For that I'm taking dishwashing soap, vinegar, baking soda and a dye called rhodamine B. This dye is a fluorescent dye and I'll be performing this under a UV light. So this demonstration is under visible light. So I'm taking some baking soda inside a conical flask. To this I am adding a small amount of water. To this I am adding 1 to 2 drops of dishwashing liquid. Now to this I'll be adding a pinch of rhodamine B, which will give us a pink fluorescent color. To this solution I'll be adding vinegar and it erupts like lava erupts from a volcano. Now I'll be performing the same experiment under a UV light. So now I'll be performing the same experiment in a UV light. So for that I'm taking a dark bottle. In that I'll be adding the same baking soda, dishwashing soap and dye rhodamine B, but this time instead of vinegar I'll be adding dilute sulfuric acid. This works much better than the vinegar. You can see that the foam is much thicker than it was with the vinegar and the foam is glowing under UV light. It looks just amazing. I upload videos every Tuesday, so subscribe to my channel. If you like my work, you can support me financially through Patreon and PayPal. Links are given in description.